Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Ocasio, and I just wanted to show you my challenge for tutorial 2. As you can see in my challenge, I was able to get my enemies to move, not only in side to side, but also in the Y-axis as well. I was also able to get a moving platform going, uh, and I was also able to add sound effects and then add a background music as well. The enemies are sprites of like spaceships, and so I was able to change the sprite for the pickups to like gold nuggets. So instead of coins, you pick up gold nuggets. Um, I do have a game over text, and as soon as you win, the game over text shows up. Thank you very much.